The most common question that I get asked by my patients these days is about collagen supplements. Do they really work? How do they work? Should I take it in the form of a pill, in the form of a tablet, a powder, or I should apply it on my face? To clear the air about these supplements, I'm Dr. Priti Shenai, board certified dermatologist practicing at SkinWorks Clinic, Juhu, Mumbai. There are a lot of supplements that are available in the market for skin, hair and nails, and now we have the new kid on the block, that is collagen supplements. So first let us understand what is collagen. It is a protein that is available at least 25 to 30% of your body, and it comprises 70% of your skin. So it is like a glue that sticks your cells together, which helps it to expand and retract, and hence giving your skin that bouncy and elasticity. It is present in skin, hair, nails, joints, tendons, cartilage and blood vessels. So it's nearly present everywhere in your body. So why is collagen so important? It is at its peak till 20 years of age, and it starts declining by 1% every year. So when young adults below 20 or 20 eat collagen, it does make sense. Usually women post-menopause and in their first 5 years of menopause would see the maximum depletion of collagen, approximately 30%. And that leads to dull, dry skin, elasticity becomes loose, and also you see that your joints start paining, and this is because of low level of estrogen also. How do these collagen supplements work? So when you consume collagen, it gets digested by the digestive enzymes and broken into peptides and amino acids that are short building protein of your body. And then it gets absorbed by the bloodstream, and it needs to be targeted to the specific organ, that is skin. But our body is not that smart to understand this. So hence, I'm not sure how much will an oral collagen supplement work for your skin. Studies have shown that when people have consumed collagen over 3 months, it has only helped in improving the skin hydration, skin elasticity, and helping in plumping the skin and making your skin look a little younger. So definitely those below 20 should start consuming collagen on a daily basis. What are the reasons why our collagen keeps reducing? Most important is sun exposure, aging, chronic medical conditions like diabetes, other medical conditions, hormonal changes post-menopause, smoking, drinking alcohol, not having a balanced diet, eating more of sugar and processed food, and also lack of sleep. Let's understand how do we choose our collagen. Look for hydrolyzed collagen because that will break into peptides and amino acids. Also look for other ingredients like vitamin C. It is very important that your collagen supplement should have vitamin C, which will enhance the absorption of collagen and also increase the production of collagen in your body. Other ingredients which you can look for are hyaluronic acid, vitamin D3 and CoQ10. What is the dose of collagen that you need to consume daily? Your collagen powder should contain at least 5 to 8 grams of hydrolyzed collagen. What are the side effects that you usually see if you take collagen? Usually there are no side effects, but vegetarians may feel bloating sensation because it's marine source. So I advise my patients to take it after meal. What is the best source of collagen? The best source of collagen is marine collagen. The second best source is bovine. And for vegans, you have vegan plant-based collagen. So what are the other methods that can be done to boost your collagen? Avoid sun exposure and use your sunscreen daily, and don't forget to reapply it because it will prevent oxidative damage and boost your collagen. Eat your diet rich in fish, pork. Vegetarians can increase their consumption of leafy vegetables and berries. Exercise also plays a very vital role. See to it that you get adequate sleep. Avoid smoking, consuming excessive alcohol. Try and incorporate skincare routine. So you can use a vitamin C serum daily, which will act as a rich antioxidant. Use your sunscreen daily, and at night you can start using retinol creams. Also, your moisturizers, look for hyaluronic acid and peptides, which will help to boost your collagen. Visit your dermatologist and you can ask for in-clinic treatments that will help to boost the collagen, like microneedling radiofrequency and skin booster injections. What are the methods that you can do to boost your collagen? So maintain a lifestyle. Use sunscreens daily and don't forget to reapply them. Avoid sugar and processed food in your diet. Get a good amount of sleep daily, at least 7 to 8 hours. Stress also increases oxidative damage and that can reduce your collagen, so you should avoid stress. Avoid smoking and excessive consumption of alcohol. Exercise daily. And lastly, introduce serums into your skincare routine. Serums like vitamin C serum in the day, hyaluronic acid serum, and at night you can also use retinol with your moisturizers. So do collagen supplements really help? I'm yet to get an answer to this because scientific data has yet not proven any results on this. My take is that collagen supplements will be a good nutritional or a protein supplement to your daily dietary regime.